Hola.
Hi guys, here we are at Hotel El Paso at PortAventura World. This is where we're staying over Christmas. This is room 4107 in the Quizelle block. First of all, as you come in, you have your spot there, you put your key card in, powers all your lights, plug sockets, etc. Into the bathroom, you have your hand wash, obviously your sink, towels, hairdryer there, and a plug socket. And here you have your toilet paper for your toilet, plenty of towels up there. Over the bath shower, your shampoo and shower gel, but you don't get any conditioner. We had to go into town with a wander down, and we got some there.
So you just throw it in the bath.
Yeah, we just throw it in the bath when you finish with it, it's fine.
I've done it twice now.
Here you got your wardrobe. Plenty of hangers there, safe and shelves. Mirror on the wall there. There's an interconnecting door as well, so if you want more than one room you can get interconnecting. 2 double beds.
They are close together, so you do, luckily we do 99% of the time get on well as a family of 4.
There you have your phone, European plug socket there.
You've got little storage things next to your the beds as well. Little drawer and a little cupboard. So, yeah.
The TV over here with drawers, 2 drawers and cupboards there, which obviously storing some drink down there. The drawers are quite large. TV there. Another plug socket this side, and again you've got your drawer and cabinet. You do get a little balcony.
And a table and 2 chairs.
Yes, table, 2 chairs. There is a curtain, not included with the room though.
Trust me, you won't want to.
There's your balcony overlooking the pool complex. The pool is shut at the moment. It shuts from September through to May.
Got view of the mountains.
Yeah, you've got the mountains at the back. Your main block is down there with reception. The restaurant is just down there and around that corner. And the hotel's got its entrance down into PortAventura Park and Ferrari Land. Right, and that's about it for our room tour here at El Paso. Thanks for watching guys, we'll see you all real soon.